Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Explore with Suchita. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that if I post any videos, you'll get the notification, and like my videos and share it with your friends also. Today I'm going to share you how to prepare onion dosa, and I'm going to share you few tricks to get the texture of dosa as same as restaurant style. Now I'm going to show you how to prepare dosa batter. So that I am taking here 2 cups of dosa rice. This rice you will get it in Big Bazaar, More, or any supermarket. That dosa rice I am going to take. Now I am adding 1 cup of dosa rice. I will add 1 more cup. Totally 2 cups I am taking today. See, 2 cups of dosa rice. For 2 cups of dosa rice, I am going to add 1 spoon of methi, 2 spoons of chana dal, for 2 cups of rice, I have taken half cup of urad dal, and then I have taken half cup of poha. Once again I am telling the measurement. I have taken 2 cup of dosa rice, half cup of urad dal, and then 2 tablespoon of chana dal, and then 1 tablespoon of methi. I have put it in the same bowl, and then half cup of poha. This is thick poha I am going to use now. This is afternoon. I am going to wash all these ingredients and I am going to soak it in water. I will allow it to soak till evening, and evening I will go to show you how to grind all this. You can see now my rice is soaked. Now I am going to grind all these ingredients one by one. First I am going to add poha. Along with poha I am going to add urad dal, chana dal, and then methi. All these items were soaked in the afternoon. Now it's evening. Now I am going to grind all this. You have to grind it in such a way that it should be fine paste. Now I am going to take it to a separate bowl. Next I am going to add rice, and then I am going to grind this also. You can see now my rice is also grinded now. Now I am going to pour it into the same bowl. Mix it well, and now my dosa batter is ready. I am not adding salt at this stage. I will add salt tomorrow morning. At night I will show you how to do the batter fermentation. Now I will close this lid and allow it to ferment. Now I am going to show you how to do the batter fermentation. In my previous video also I have showed the 3 different methods for batter fermentation. If you have not checked, I will attach the link above. You can go and check it out. The best method to do the batter fermentation is I have taken a cast iron tawa. I have preheated that. Now on the tawa I am going to keep one pan. On that pan I am going to keep my batter. My tawa is switched off. I switched off the gas and I have kept my batter, and I am going to close one plate like this. And again I am going to cover with some other cloth. I will allow it till tomorrow morning. If you see it tomorrow morning, the batter will be fermented. Now you can see how my batter is fermented very well. It has almost touched the plate. Now I am going to mix it well. Mix the batter. How much you want for usage, you can take it in a separate bowl. And rest of the things you can keep it in the fridge and you can use it for next day also. For dosa batter, I am going to add little sugar. Why I am adding sugar is that it will give the texture of restaurant style and it will give the color also. And then I am going to add little maida, about 1 tablespoon of maida. Why I am adding maida? Because the topping of onion will not fall down while doing onion dosa. And then I am adding salt. Add salt as per your taste. The main trick for doing onion dosa is that add maida so that the topping of onion will not fall down. Mix all the ingredients well so that onion dosa batter will be ready. For topping of onion dosa, I am using 2 finely chopped onions. Along with that, I have chopped 1 green chilli. I am going to transfer it to a separate bowl now. If you don't want green chilli, you can skip it. And then I am adding 1 grated carrot and coriander. Mix it well so that the onion dosa topping will be ready. Now for doing onion dosa, my tawa is already heated. Once my tawa is heated, I am going to put my dosa batter on the tawa. Spread it very lightly. The batter must be little thick. Now I am going to add the toppings. For toppings, I have used onion, carrot, coriander and green chilli. Now I am adding sesame seeds. If you want, you can add this or else you can skip this. If you add, it will give you a good taste. Add little oil on the top. Cook it in a low flame. As the dosa is little thick, it should be cooked well inside. So cook it in low flame. Now I am going to flip the dosa. You can see the color, how beautiful it is. It is golden brown. This color came because of that we added sugar. That is the main trick while preparing any of the dosa. You can see both the sides. My dosa is cooked now. Now you can see my onion dosa is ready along with vegetable sagu and coconut chutney. Onion dosa is preferred with vegetable sagu rather than potato palya. Hope you enjoyed my video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that if I post any videos, you will get the notification. And like my videos and share it with your friends also. Thanks for watching.